to a place I've always wanted to come over here, the Golden Donut, right here in Columbus, Georgia. Today's adventure brings us over here to the Golden Donut in Columbus, Georgia. And we're about to find out what an ugly is. What are uglies? Wonder if they're chocolate glazed. Oh, it's so beautiful in here. I smell glazed donuts. They also offer DoorDash. Look at that, they're cute. Here's their menu. They have original glazed donuts, chocolate glazed, half original and half chocolate, filled cake, which is plain blueberry and chocolate. They have donut holes, donut twists, cinnamon donuts, cinnamon rolls, apple fritters, uglies. I still want to know what the uglies are. They have boxes, you can get dozens. They have $13 specials, and then they have coffee too, $1.85 a cup. Very, very, very nice. I love their decor here. I love the golden seating in here. It's really pretty. What are the uglies?
They're apple fritter without the apple.
Apple fritter without the apple? Wow. I may want to try one of those.
We want a half dozen. We want 2 uglies,
Yum.
2 apple fritters, 1 twist, and 1 glaze. So, one cinnamon twist and 1 glaze twist.
These are the regular twist. These are the cinnamon twist. Those look delicious. Okay, these are the cinnamon rolls. Those look good. Yum. These are the apple fritters. These are the uglies.
$10.80. I'll get it.
Those are the uglies? Wow. And these are the chocolate sprinkles. Those look so delicious. And so do those too. I can't believe it. These down here are just the regular cake. These are the cake donuts, right?
Yes.
And what flavors do you have in cake?
Plain
Uh-huh.
chocolate, red velvet.
Oh, yum. That must be red velvet. Yum. And that's chocolate cake. And that's blueberry cake.
Strawberry field.
And that's plain cake. Yum.
We get 1 regular twist, 1 strawberry field.
Let's go try a delicious hot donut. I love that sign. Okay, we'll sit right here. They also have t-shirts. You can get pink, blue, white, and green. And I just love these drawings here. I just absolutely love them. And here's the donuts. Oh, those look so good. Those look good. We even got some uglies and we got some glazed. Oh, how delicious. Okay, let's try a glazed. Let's try this glazed right here. This is from the Golden Donut in Columbus, Georgia. Oh my God. Those are good. They're real light and airy. I think these are 10 times better than Krispy Kreme. Oh my gosh, these are so delicious. They have a golden flavor. They're real light, airy. But they taste so good. They taste like a wonderful tasting donut. And if you've had a Krispy Kreme, they're like 10 times better. Yum. Oh, that's so good. These are good donuts. They're made fresh daily. Oh, that's so good. These are delicious. Delicious. And do y'all have a drive-through? Hey, y'all have a drive-through? A drive-through order? You can drive through, and y'all also have DoorDash?
Yeah, we have DoorDash.
Okay, you can order through DoorDash. Or you can drive through. Oh, these are delicious. These are delicious. And what are y'all's hours? Y'all open in the morning? Like how? 6 in the morning. These are delicious. I would come over here for breakfast every day. Oh my goodness, this is so good. Oh, look, and they also serve Fountain City coffee. Right here from Columbus, Georgia. Fountain City coffee. And that's the best coffee Fountain City is. I love Fountain City coffee. So that's kind of like what an ugly donut looks like. And then that one up there is the one with sprinkles. Behind that, I believe, is a container of coffee, maybe, or butter. I know that over there is butter, and that's glazed. That's a cake with donuts around it. That's a box of donuts. That's a pot of coffee and another cruller over there. And then right over here, that's Golden the donut. That's cute, isn't it? But they serve Fountain City coffee. I'm happy about that. Oh, and it says glazed. Glazed over. How cute. It says glazed over. Kind of like this delicious glazed donut. Oh, this is so, so good. So good. Such a very unique place. I love it. There's a sign down here I want to show everybody. Oh, These are so, so good. What is your address again?
It is. I think it's.
Maple bacon.
It is 625 Manchester Expressway.
625 Manchester Expressway. All right. I'm going to come back because y'all are a lot better than Krispy Kreme.
Oh yeah, way better. We got the best donuts east of Mississippi.
Y'all sure do. I thoroughly enjoy them. Oh my gosh, they're so good.
Hey, how you doing? I'm good.
These are the t-shirts right here.
It's gonna be
Aren't they cute?
645. Or sorry, 648.
Those are such cute t-shirts. How much are your t-shirts?
So for the adult sizes, it's a 20, and then for children's, it's 15. That's the front of it.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah.
That is really cute. I'm going to have to come get me one. Well, I thank y'all, and this is a really nice place, and I really wish they'd come sooner. I really, really enjoy it.
I got it.
And that's the ugly donut right there. And they have coffee. Oh, that's cool. Look at that sugar going down into that coffee cup. Oh, look at their donuts coming out. Isn't that beautiful? And you can see the donuts coming out, right?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
What times do y'all's donuts usually come out? What time
So
of
we
day?
actually don't have a specific time for hot donuts. Just we run, because we like to run everything as fresh as possible. So as soon as we run out, we'll just make more. And it's
Awesome.
like an hour-long process, so we have to like kind of think ahead.
Awesome. Awesome. I hear people showing up for donuts. I tell you what.
yeah.
Everybody's showing up for donuts. That is delicious. Look at them coming out like that. Just like Krispy Kreme, but a little bit better. They make them all day long, and they're fresh. And I know it's way better than Krispy Kreme. Now, I like Krispy Kreme, no doubt about it, but I love these donuts, these fresh golden donuts. right here in Columbus, Georgia. And those are the glazed coming out. And if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Oh, those look so good. Coming on out. Hot Fresh Donuts. Thank you so much for watching.